Hi, Mia and Aurora. Okay, I'm going to try to show you how to get grid view. It might be a problem with the iPad. Like it might be an iPad issue or a tablet issue where it doesn't allow the same kind of thing as a Chromebook. And if that's the case and you want to check out a Chromebook, we've got lots of Chromebooks still. So what I'm going to show you right now is how to try to get grid view so you can see more than just a couple of kids or just your own face. So what you want to do is when you're in the meeting, so right now I'm in our Google Meets meeting, no one else is here yet, obviously. You're going to go to the three dots right down here in the right-hand corner and click it. And then you want to go to change layout. And once you get there, if you look down here at the bottom, you don't need to worry about, oops. Sorry about that. Someone was trying to get in the meeting. Okay, so what you want to do is you don't need to really worry about any of these. What you do is you take the little cursor and you press on the green circle and then you slide it. I would just slide it all the way over. We're not going to have 49 people in our meeting, but then that way you will see everyone no matter what. And then you just press the X. Right now, I'm the only person in the meeting, so obviously you can't see anybody else, but if there were other people in the meeting, you would be able to see all the faces in boxes. So give this a try, and if it is like an iPad issue where this kind of thing is not available unless you have like a Chromebook and you want to check out a Chromebook, you can just come into the office and get one. Let me know if you guys need any other help. It would be great for you to get to see everybody's faces. I totally understand wanting to do that. All right, you guys are doing a great job. See you soon. Bye.